Hello everyone, and we are back with today's session. So,
Yeah. Hey all, we are back again here.
yeah,
Hello
So
Hi
what?
everyone.
everyone.
Hello
Yeah.
Canteen family.
hello,
Yeah.
hello. Pranjal is
So
uh, Pranjal is back on his again position of lying down in his bed, and he's ready for the meet. Okay, so Amit is
Yeah, yeah.
also ready with his earphones plugged in, and Rishabh
yeah.
is as usual
No,
ignoring
no, no,
us,
no.
ignoring us
I'm
in the
just
meet.
checking the mail
you know,
of Alok.
Don't read it now, bro. We will read it later because there will
Okay,
be
okay.
something important maybe. So let's
yep.
look at
Yeah.
it after that. Okay. So
Okay.
So
we will
yeah. So
discuss
what shall we
today
discuss?
two of our members and I too. I am putting earphones in my ear. So why we put earphones in our ear to listen music and all. So let's discuss on the music. Okay.
Yeah. Actually,
Okay,
I
okay.
put
Okay.
on my music. I put on my earphone to get advertisements on Spotify.
Yeah. Nice. That's nice.
In the between or between the ads, we listen the music.
Yeah.
yeah,
Between the
definitely.
ads, we listen the music, and those are such annoying ads, really.
so yeah. So
In
I
past,
think. Hmm.
yeah.
Yes, Rishabh.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
In past, I am using the Savan music. Then it's come to be premium.
Yeah.
Then I switch to the Ghana.
Yeah, yeah. Same thing happened to me also. Like I've started with Savan, and after that, Geo Music was one of the thing. Like it was free because we are owing Geo SIM,
Okay.
and yeah, later on
Um,
Spotify.
Spotify.
Generally, I used for music in YouTube.
Yeah,
Yeah,
YouTube
yeah,
is all time.
really.
It's good.
Whenever
Yeah.
you don't find any song, you don't search it on Spotify. You search it on YouTube, and
YouTube.
then read the name title of the song, and then you will listen on the Spotify. That
Yeah.
happens.
yeah,
And YouTube has a advantage that we have to listen the cover song.
Yeah, yeah,
It's a
yeah, yeah,
unplug and cover
Yeah.
song.
yeah.
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 I think that
That's a
that's good.
varieties is there.
And now
Yeah.
most of the people like to hear the cover and all instead of
Many
original
Yeah.
songs.
many different variety in YouTube.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Just like I love the cover song of Jara Jara Mehta.
Zara
yeah,
Zara cover is
yeah,
very
yeah.
good, very good.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Both of the things, both of the songs actually, the original and the cover.
And one more thing like the song of that
Which?
in which the actor is our Maddie.
Yeah,
Yeah,
same
yeah, yeah.
movie,
That's
man. The
that's
Zara
Jara
Zara. That
Jara.
is a movie.
No, Zara Zara
Zara
is
Nahi,
that thing,
zara.
Iskera
but
Divana.
yeah,
Such
yeah,
care. Okay,
that
KK.
song.
Sach
Yeah,
kehra divana.
K
yeah.
KK
KK
is
Medi.
amazing, but like I will send cover of that song to you today, and you will.
Mhm.
I think at least you will listen that song three times.
Wow.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. They start from a very crucial point. Okay, so let's come to music. We gone to songs. So have you guys ever played any musical instrument, like anything from manjira to whatever harmonium,
Yeah,
anytime?
yeah. Yeah, with you, bro.
That time only. That time only.
No, uh,
Keyboard or
once a
something.
while also in
What?
DJ, in DJ the I I still didn't know the name of that instrument.
Okay, no
That
problem.
are
Okay.
the BGM type,
Oh, no problem. So
electronic.
have you guys like ever pressed any keys of keyboard or harmonium or something like that, or tried tabla or something?
Yes,
I
Aniket.
try
Yeah.
harmonium, but
Yeah, I
it didn't
also
work.
try in a music class of fourth and five.
You
Yeah,
you
same
you
thing.
you are in music. You guys are having music
No,
class in class four.
there is a
Yeah,
class of music.
class in school,
Still in
Hmm.
yeah, in
I
up to
don't
five
have.
class I think.
I haven't had any musical class when I changed school. Then the music teacher also fled that from that school. I guess is it right, Pranjal? When I joined
Mm.
Yeah, yeah.
in class 9, the music teacher left the school. So
Okay.
But I never saw
Actually,
the piano in
Any
real.
our
so
music class started with Sare Gamapa and end with like
Hmm.
Sare Gamapa.
Yeah, you know, Sare Gamapa in Re. Re means Rishabh. The meaning
Wow.
of Re is Rishabh.
yes,
okay.
nice, nice.
So
So
So even I had the same thing, when I was in fourth and fifth, we used to have those music classes. In that we were taught some rags, Saregamapa, and the
Yeah,
history of that rags, like in reverse and something, some orders over there.
yeah.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's it. So I tried playing that same thing, harmonium there. I find it very, hmm,
Saregamapa is a sur. Those are
yeah, yeah.
not ragas. Okay, ragas are
No,
different
no, no,
thing.
no. Different things. So I'm just saying that we have were
Yeah, yeah,
taught both the things there.
yeah, yeah.
And I used
Yeah.
to play like I was very much fascinated by that pumping part of the harmonium.
Yeah, yeah,
The
yeah.
air blows from there, so it was so
and
interesting. And I
and
used to
and
just
people like threatened the pumping part of, if you will pump, if you will just pump, the harmonium will blow up. So
burst. Yeah,
be
yeah, yeah,
be careful while pumping those things.
yeah. Yeah. And later our teacher, bought a new Yamaha keyboard. So, but she didn't used to get us on that keyboard,
Yeah.
obviously. But somehow we try to get into that in some assembly one day, I think. So that was one of the instruments. And yeah, there were lots of instruments I remember, like the tabla also. Tabla were there, and Congo or Pongo, I don't know what the
Congo,
three
Congo,
tablas.
Congo,
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 yeah.
Congo.
Congo. So Congos were also there, and we had one octopad.
Yeah, yeah.
Tadak, tadak, tak.
You guys were
And
rich. You guys were rich.
and Manjira is so obvious.
Yeah.
Manjira has to be there. And yeah, basically that's it. That's our stuff, I think. And
Nice.
yeah, in parade also. Parade we have the drums. One
And
bigger drum and one smaller drum.
what musical instrument you like most and you want to play?
I want to play. Like if I had a chance, I would definitely love to play piano at the first place and harmonica at the second.
Okay. So what
wait,
about you,
wait.
Okay.
Rishabh? You
And
didn't
yeah,
tell.
Basuri
Sa-
also.
Flute, flute.
Same
Yeah, yeah,
here,
Basuri, of
same
course.
here, bro. I said that I never see the piano in real.
Oh, we also haven't seen the piano
Ah,
in real. Okay, we just
yeah.
saw harmonium and keyboard. Piano is a
Mhm.
rare
Cartoon thing,
thing.
Doraemon.
Yeah, it's a cartoon thing. So no problem. So do you really like flute or you like harmonium or guitar more?
What I
yeah, I
think is,
yeah,
yes,
I like the flute music of I have seen the music of GOT in flute
Oh,
version.
okay.
I'm
oh, okay,
fan of that
okay.
Okay,
music.
okay.
What,
So,
why, what my philosophy with flute is that flute is so amazing. It's so amazing. Like
Yeah, yeah.
it has only two parts. Either you can play it and it will be just awesome, or you can't just play it. It will just blow air only, and it is not going to be just irritating or something. It will just blow air, and if you know how to play it, it will just amazing. That's
yeah,
like it's a thing of our goddess, God Krishna. So it has to be
Yeah.
beautiful.
yeah.
It's amazing.
There are
I love
meanings behind
Basuri.
everything. Yeah,
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 float sound is so relaxing.
yeah, yeah. Very much.
so damn relaxing.
So let's come to Amit. So what instruments he played, and all. We
Uh,
will come to Pranjal after that. He is ready with his flute.
actually, yeah, actually, at present time, I don't know any instrument. Um, but in future, if I learn, then I learn flute.
Okay, nice.
That's it.
And what instruments have you like used some one time or another time? Like, have you played some dholak and all stuffs in your childhood or something?
I played harmonium, only harmonium.
Okay, no problem. So, so how much you
So
just played any song or Saregamapa or Janagana Mana?
Jana Gana Mana.
Okay, nice,
Ta- 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 ta-
And
ta- ta.
I know Jana Gana Mana in harmonium. I
nice,
played Jana Gana Mana.
nice, nice.
Okay.
So let's come to Pranjal. He's ready with his
Pranjal,
flute.
yes.
He's ready with his flute.
Okay, that's amazing.
No, no, no. It is for like so.
Is it anything here for us, like which can soothe us?
No, no.
Any tune or something?
I tried
okay,
it. Saregamapa.
Okay, in flute.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh, that's
yeah, yeah.
interesting. So, what are the different other instruments that you have played or saw in your
It is
since your
starting
childhood?
from like yeah,
Harmonium,
So,
obviously, the first one.
Yeah, yeah. Pranjal.
ah, Horn. Actually, I like uh, every festival we go like for sitting there,
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
for listening. Then
Bhajan.
after, after over all that music, matlab Sangeet and all
Mm-hmm.
this, the people left that instrument for some time, and then we like we are like that time children is small like
yeah.
so.
Then the
At
real
that time,
program begins.
Sneak peek.
at that time we tried to like. हम भी कुछ कर
Play as.
Your music was
अच्छा
started, Aditya.
Yeah, the train thing. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
so from like we tried every instrument like tabla,
Manjira,
mandar, manjira, झुनझुन, uh, mm, क्या
harmonium.
harmonium and Sahanai also is
Oh,
there. Sahanai,
oh,
yeah,
you played Sainai also.
Sahanai,
Nice.
Sahanai.
Wow.
It
I
By
it
have.
it it
Shahnai, I only remember.
I it it means it is the best exercise for chairs. It takes a lot of breath once
Mm-hmm.
inside. Then yeah, so for continue it takes means
Right, right,
uh,
Okay,
right.
okay,
uh,
okay. Nice.
practice of that. And one
This.
thing is
Mm.
also not cyanide, but one thing is also like it is of like a bamboo, like fluid, and it is about very long. About we can cover about 1 meter, I think.
Whoa.
3 feet.
And uh, at the end, people like snack and play.
Oh,
So
Bean, bean, bean.
uh,
got that thing. Now.
I
Not wind
I
type.
don't know
Actually, it
that.
was a big
Can you
stick.
just share the image, Akhil, if it is possible? Like.
Big stick. Actually, it is like not used in so much of area. It is confined to Chhattisgarh and similar. Like snake charmers use not actually bean. Like you don't get confused with bean. It is a
It is
bigger
not
than
a bin.
bean.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a
Bigger
Okay.
than bin.
big stick-like thing,
It has a
hollow
longer
stick.
edge.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
I will try that searching that thing if
Yeah, you
I
can just
find
search
that.
if it's possible.
I will.
So,
Okay.
and you said Shahnai, so by
And
Shahnai, I
o-
only remember Bismillah Khan.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
Ustad Bismillah Khan.
Yeah, I too remember
one
that. And
one
you
Yeah.
remember that because you have studied that in
Yeah, so
Hindi.
lesson in yeah, ninth class. Definitely.
and one thing also like a small what
Sorry, small.
You are mute, bro.
I think stuck somewhere. Anyways, till he continues, let's start with like our best singers in
No,
Bollywood.
first
Hmm.
two best album.
Two tests.
Best, best.
Best
Okay, two best
album.
album. Okay,
of
that's
music.
International Villager by Honey Singh.
international villager.
Bhai, that is a
Yeah,
album by
album
Honey
means
Singh.
movie also. You
Yeah, movie
can.
Oh,
album. We can
Oh,
we can
yeah,
choose movie
yeah.
album. So I think for that I will definitely going with Rockstar.
Yeah, yeah.
Of
Rock.
course, it has to be. It has to be. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
And
Rockstar
second
is
movie?
definitely the one, and the second I have to think a little. Uh, and after that, there are a lot of Hindi movies like they are amazing. There are a lot of songs in different albums. They are amazing. So it's actually difficult to put the second one.
एक
Mm,
तरफा
our favorite our favorite song Chunut Chunut
दरअसल
Pehli Baar
रावक
Hai.
song.
Sorry, my favorite.
and definitely how we can forget the old ones, like any song
Old
from
ones are
Kishore
old
Kumar and
ones.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Rafida. They are
Hmm.
definitely will be the second
yeah,
or
yeah.
the one.
Gulabi aankheं.
Lata Mangeshkar, yeah.
Yeah. Actually, we
Gulabi,
cannot.
Gulabi Aake is, like a song which everyone sings when they learn to use guitar.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
The
It's a basic one.
the
गुलाबी आंखें.
first song you
Today
like
I
in any evening, in any evening,
Hmm.
dil kya kare, yeah, in any evening, if you will ask any boy to sing a song in front of a bonfire, he will start dil mein mere,
Gila.
he will start gulabi aankhein, no other
ख्वाब
song,
तेरे
like Maiya Yasoda is for that
Radhika Antashari.
Antakshari, and then this Gulabi
Yeah,
Aankhein is for evening songs. Okay.
Guitars. Yeah, right, right, right.
This is a favorite song
right.
of a stud boy.
Yeah, yeah, really, really. Atif Aslam, after Atif Aslam, when Atif
Yeah.
Aslam sang this song,
No,
he
Atif Aslam not. Sanam Puri.
no, no,
Sanam
no.
Puri.
Before
Yeah,
Sanam
Atif
Puri,
Aslam.
Ah,
before
Yeah, yeah,
Sanam
yeah, yeah.
Puri,
Atif Aslam, Atif Aslam.
Adi
Sanam
Muslim
Puri,
also, yeah.
Sanam Puri is okay, but Sanam Puri songs are not that much that you will reside in your tongue also.
Yeah.
Okay, if Atif Aslam sings that song, then it will be amazing experience for everyone. So that's that.
So
Okay.
yeah. So I think Amit
So,
and Pranjal haven't said their best albums,
yeah.
and Akhil also, Rishabh also.
Best singer.
album,
Best
album, best
album.
two albums.
Best two
Two
movies
album.
song.
Basically.
Yeah.
Rockstar. My favorite one. And
Second.
And yeah, second.
My album,
uh,
no. Songs are
Name the song if you don't
eh,
remember the album and all. So
Yeah.
you
एक तरफा.
what
एक
is
तरफा.
Okay.
Ek Tarfa? I haven't listened about Ek Tarfa.
Darshan Rawal ek tarfa, right?
Darshan Rawal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Darshan Rawal also have a soft corner in our
Yeah,
heart.
yeah, 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 yeah.
He's a good
He
singer.
is my favorite singer.
Yeah,
Yeah,
definitely. Mine.
Darshan Rawal from the Secret Word Superstar, some Raw Star.
Raw Star,
uh,
India's best
actually
instrument.
Yeah.
CG's.
Yeah, Pranjal.
Yeah, yeah.
Pranjal.
Sonur Peri Baje for CG.
Sonu Nigam.
Yeah, yeah. Sonu Nigam.
Sonu
Always Sonu
Nigam, Sonu
Nigam.
Nigam sang CG songs 10 years ago. And
Whoa.
if you will listen to those songs, those are amazing songs. Okay.
Yeah.
I have made listen Aditya Chhattisgarhi song, and I
Yeah.
think
तो तर संसार में
more Sansar.
तोर
मोर
संसार
संसार
मोर संसार
मोर
में.
संसार है मोर
हाँ,
संसार.
So he became
That's amazing song.
he became fan of the
it's
song. Okay.
Yeah, definitely.
it is famous
It's an
song
Second,
na
amazing one.
in
yeah,
Chhattisgarh.
Second,
it's famous.
Teri Mitti means song is when he started singing, like all the hairs of, you know,
Oh,
Goosebumps.
goosebumps.
Yeah,
uh,
goosebumps.
Yeah.
Okay, now Akhil.
There are
Yes,
many
Akhil.
songs I really like about. Uh,
According
I
to the mood.
Yeah, obviously according to the mood.
yeah,
I
according to the
yeah,
mood.
you start from when I don't find anything to listen, I just switch to Kishore Kumar and all. Like my most searches are of them, and so and one more thing, like I also listen to Lata Mangeshkar and all, and sometimes I used to listen that Mera Rang De Basanti Chola song. Okay, I really like that song very much, and you also also this modern songs are so much frequent that they just keep changing. Your album always gets updated and all,
Hmm.
and one song like from Hate Story 2, that Hai Dil Ye Mera song, when it released in class 10th and all. So it's a great song. You will listen that and you will know that the Arjit Singh shouts very hard on that. Okay. And Atif Aslam songs also, Kun Faya Kun and Rockstar songs are amazing
Yeah.
too.
That's
I don't
Mohit
have
Chauhan,
to
man. That's
mention
Mohit
that.
Yeah.
Chauhan.
Yeah.
Mochon.
That's Mohit Chauhan.
And 90s song and all. So there's mixed of songs, and also the devotional songs I listen to that also. So there's a huge category of great songs to me.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what about you, Rishabh? What's your best songs or albums?
Best two albums are, of course, Rockstar and Adil Muskil. Adil hai Muskil.
Okay. Yeah.
Adil Muskil songs are amazing.
Yeah.
Dialogues
But
are
my
amazing.
favorite song is Awara Hoon
Yeah.
by
Okay. That's
Mukesh
Rishi
Kumar.
Kapoor. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Awara
Raj
ho
Kapoor.
teeni.
Yeah. Raj Kapoor,
Yeah.
some Kapoor
Yeah.
family. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's nice
Okay.
song. So it's a nice mention to name that songs, and that song says your favorite. You can't if you will like name any favorite song from this generation, you will be laughed. on yourself.
Definitely, obviously.
So
So I think let's start with the best singers or like
Okay.
which you
I
follow,
can't.
or one male singer and one female.
Female
We should
singer.
go with, yeah. So let's start with Rishabh only, like he was the last. So
Only
Okay.
so like I
My
think I take a
my
start.
female singer is Shreya Ghoshal
Shreya Ghoshal, obviously.
or Monali Thakur also.
yeah,
Monali
Monali
Thakur, yeah.
Thakur. Yeah,
She
Yeah.
has a great. Mhm.
And I like Sunidhi Chauhan also.
So you're just trailing my favorites.
Yeah.
he,
Yeah.
Actually, I think we all have same favorites. I think.
Yeah. Yeah. But in male, everyone like Arjit Singh.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I love KK more.
KK.
KK,
Okay.
KK,
Yeah.
KK will, like 1K for 1 year.
Yeah.
4K fills your whole year, and he's the most, like half of the people don't know how KK looks like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even me. I mean, it was long. I waited long to discover how his
I,
face is,
I
and
too.
I
I,
waited
I
so much to just see the interviews
I
if he had
search
one.
I search about that guy in internet, but I don't find a satisfactory photo of him.
Yeah.
But
And even
I have lot of respect for Mohit Chauhan also, bro.
Mohit Chauhan is
definitely
amazing.
he's
Okay,
yeah.
and
OP singer.
yeah, that I
Atif
like.
Aslam.
Singers are mostly in our industry are great. Like you will talk
Hmm.
about Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. He
Hmm.
does great things.
KK.
KK,
No,
Uh,
KK.
KK, Kishore
Mohammad
Kumar,
Rafi Sahab.
Mohammad Rafi, Mukesh,
Obviously,
and
Kishore Kumar.
you talk about any singer of the, I like songs and singers of that era more because they done a great job in limited resources and all,
Hmm.
and those
Yeah.
are
Right, right.
not a like magical voice. Today's singer
Hmm.
have magical voice,
But the
but
lyrics
that
also
time,
matters.
no, not talking
ev-
about
ev-
lyrics and all. I'm talking
Hmm.
about like their genuine voice. Like those are sounded more
Hmm.
like common people are singing songs.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right,
Those
right,
are
right,
more
right.
soothing. So
Hmm.
and today also soothing songs comes, but that don't like resides in your
Frequency
brain
is
for
less.
more time.
And also the frequency is less. Like we can find the pops songs more often, like
Yeah,
the
but
disco ones, and they are
songs
just hmm.
songs like you listen to songs like from it's from Padmavat or from it's where that Lalisk song is
yeah,
from.
Lal
Yeah.
is
Yeah, yeah, the Malal Ishq, yeah, that's
Yeah, and one more song
mm.
from Ram Leela, similar kind of melody was there
That's
in the
Ram
song.
Leela, I think. Lal Ishq.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Lal is
It is from
yeah,
Ram Leela
and
only.
there
Lal.
are more songs of like Padmavat and all those are the slow songs, but those are very much soothing.
High impacting. Yeah,
Yeah,
I
अंग
have saw
लगा दे
one.
रे
yeah,
Hmm.
अंग लगा दे song.
yeah, yeah.
Angal laga.
Almost like Bollywood is
Yeah.
famous for the songs and all, so we
Yeah,
can't lose the melody and the music.
Eh,
Be-
every singer are they are great. Everyone have different matlab, have matlab,
taste and moods,
yeah,
we can say.
yeah,
Hmm.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Like Honey Singh.
specialist in different genre.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Right,
like
right,
Honey
right.
Singh can
Like,
really make your party enjoying on, and
yeah, and we can impossible. It's impossible to lose Shan.
yeah,
Shan is one of
Yeah.
the greatest singers.
Shan is amazing.
We
And
should
Sukhvinder Singh.
Sukhwinder Singh
Sukhvinder
really,
Sukhvinder Singh,
Sukhwinder.
Yeah.
Abhijit
Yeah.
Bhattacharya,
Yeah.
Abhishek,
Abhijit
Abhijit ji, sorry, Abhijit Bhattacharya,
Abhijit
and
Bhattacharya.
you talk about Vishal Dadlani, and also
Vishal
those are,
Dadlani has done
Gajendra.
amazing
Sajid
work.
Wajid.
yeah, Gajendra
Benny
Verma also,
Dayal,
Benny Dayal, yeah, and
sometimes, yeah.
I really like that Ash King, Ash King,
Yeah, Ashing, yeah.
yeah. So those are
Just
very much,
Also,
imagine the popularity of song of Sukhvinder Chak De India.
yeah, Chak De
Chak
India
De
is
India
amazing,
is amazing. The
and
movies was
you
also
listen
amazing.
the
And
Jai Ho, and you listen the Jai Ho
Jai
song,
Ho.
Slumdog Millionaire
yeah,
by
Goosebumps.
Rahman sir.
We
So
forgot the.
and
the
you are forgetting the most amazing singer of Bollywood, that is Shankar Mahadevan. Okay,
Oh,
so
Yeah.
yeah.
so
How it can be?
when you
Definitely. The
he's
Breathless Singer
he's amazing guy.
is
He's
amazing.
the
You
one
listen,
of the best music directors.
yeah, that
Yeah,
trio is
definitely.
amazing, and you can listen the like Telugu songs of his creations. Those are amazing, and
Mm.
talking about Telugu songs. you guys know Bala Subramanian Saab, okay?
Yeah,
So Bala,
and
Yeah,
we
yeah.
are missing again one
Recently,
more important singer, Udit Narayan.
yeah, I am talk.
Udit Narayan
I
Kumar.
was just not remembering his name
Yeah,
actually.
we were so much
It's
awaited actually.
confusing about a little bit
Ka-
confusing.
Krishna, Kavita Krishnamurthy, Kavita Krishnamurthy, Udit Narayan, and after that,
I was once confused by KK and Kavita Krishnamurti. Yeah, I like abbreviated KK as Kavita Krishnamurti.
okay,
Like
and one more,
Krishna
Alka Yagnik.
Krishnamurti, yeah, Alka Yagnik,
Okay,
yeah. You talk about Udit
Alka
Narayan,
Yagnik.
Alka Yagnik comes, and they had given you Pankaj Udas and all. They had given the album of Asiki, that 90s great hit, just because of music and all.
Kumar Sanu, yeah, all that.
Yeah,
They're
Kumar
actually
Sanu.
so much result like Udit Narayan. If you hear his voice now, also, it's just same as that.
Yeah, and
Like you cannot imagine how
yeah,
can someone have same voice since a decade or something. That's
yeah,
so.
Podwal also.
Yeah,
So
another point.
those are. If you
And
guys
that.
have watched Ramayan, if you guys have watched Ramayan,
Mm-hmm.
so there is a singer called his name is Ravindra Jain. Okay,
Ravindra
so
Jain.
almost all the songs are sang by Ravindra Jain in
Arranges.
Ramayana. So
Oh.
you guys have watched that Krishna serial also by Ramanand Sagar.
Yeah,
Yeah,
So
yeah,
that
yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
I
that
was it.
Krishna verse is sang by that Ravindra Jain only, and he was
Okay.
a music director and he was blind. Because he was
Wow.
blind, he sang and he wrote and composed and all those things.
Wow.
So that's amazing by him. So there are great, yeah, and Rahat Fateh Ali Khan was very much famous, but nowadays not more songs of his comes. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
I even listened to Nusrat Rahat Fateh Ali Khan, the uncle of Rahat Fateh Ali Khan.
Okay.
And
So,
if you,
hmm.
sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
And if you want to listen songs, just type Imran Hasmi songs. So
Yeah.
Oh, they
Yeah.
are amazing. They are amazing.
you can't
That
see,
it has its own
you
time.
can't
Good.
watch their songs, video of that songs, but you can definitely listen to any time. Those are great songs.
Any songs.
Yeah,
Yeah, definitely.
if I
Till the
think
date,
that,
actually.
yeah,
Till
if
the
I
date.
think that any hero got amazing songs, he is
He is
that
the one.
hero.
Yeah, definitely, definitely.
Yeah, and a great actor also.
Every movie have a awesome song.
Yeah,
From the
Avindra also.
from the Avara Pan Footpath to Azhar.
yeah,
Yeah, Azhar. Yeah,
yeah,
Azhar.
it's great songs.
Even in the recent, I think China Tiger or something like that. Any movie of Imran Hashmi, he has best.
Yeah,
Hamari Adhuri Kahani. How can we forget
Yeah.
it?
Hamari Adhuri Kahani is a
Definitely.
great.
Yeah. So
So we can't,
yeah,
complete the name of the singers and all. So I would like
obviously.
to, you guys haven't asked me how much instruments I have played, and sorry, I played, I have played. So I have
Okay,
to.
okay. Sorry. Just give
Yeah,
the
yeah.
answer of your question.
Actually, my grandfather, he knows how to play harmonium, tabla, and all those things. So my father and my uncle learned from there. Okay, and my father
Wow.
also is a degree holder, some kind of thing in a tabla and all. So
Wow.
so in
That's
childhood,
great.
I started doing that things. Okay, by my own. In starting, like
Wow.
I was more inclined to tabla, not harmonium. But later on, I realized that no, tabla is underrated, harmonium is more. Okay, so I started playing tabla and I done a decent job in that. But it requires more practice. Like you will talk about practicing tabla, you have to practice a hell a lot, and I can't practice more. Okay, so I started harmonium. So I learned some of the songs and played that songs. Okay, so I you any songs but when we got internet, and also I started learning Bollywood songs
Mhm.
and all those songs, and we also done those things in our school, but unfortunately that didn't got well. But later
Mhm.
on, I think the tabla is a little bit down of mine, and harmonium is also, I forgot most of the songs. But I really like to really like to play dholak, nagada, and ma, the type of musical instruments more than. Yeah, and
Wow, that's
I
so
was
rich.
attached to music from my childhood, and I'm not I'm not a singer or something. I haven't practiced that things. If I had practiced, then I must had got those things. So, but my
Mhm.
father and my uncle and my grandfather are sings well.
Wow.
Yeah. You,
That's
wow, wow, what are you doing? Wow, wow. You are witness of those things and you are just.
yeah, yeah, definitely. I was there in the one of the bhajan, many bhajans actually.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
was just
Me too.
so relaxing. It was just awesome.
Yeah.
I cannot describe it, that bhajans here.
Yeah, we enjoyed that time, and I think
Yeah,
like
we definitely enjoyed.
Rishabh, if you, and I really do like enjoying those devotional and godly songs and all because it just opens it. And I took a duffly in the college, like you guys don't remember.
Yeah,
Rishabh
Yeah, we knew
yeah,
remembers
that.
it.
in all canteen.
Yeah, and in old canteen we played those songs and we
There
enjoyed
and
those
we
things.
Dhadkan,
do
Dhadkan.
lot of
What was it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Dhadkan was on the helmet, bro.
Yeah, Dhadkan was on the
Yeah,
helmet.
yeah, helmet, right.
Which
Yeah.
song? What is? Yeah, Dhadkan only.
Our senior came to
Dule
rag
ka
us.
sehra song.
Our senior came to rag us, but we performed very well.
Yeah.
Okay, so
So
that,
I have a question here. I have a
yeah,
question here.
yeah, yeah.
Do we have enough time? Like what? How much we have time?
It's already 11:55. We will close this out 12.
yeah.
Okay, so no problem. Let's just wrap it. I think.
Yeah, you can
Okay,
ask. You can ask
you can
that. Yeah,
ask
not
Okay,
the
a
so I
this
problem.
have one
question.
question. Like, we have like comparing to the old times, we have less instruments there. Like, not
Yeah,
less instruments exactly. We have much more diverse instruments and much more soothing instruments at the time, made up of woods and the more related to natural stuffs. And the music now produced in this electronic devices or the
Yeah,
those
yeah.
electronic devices. So, how do you feel? What's the difference? And is it like how which one is good for you, like how do you find which soothing, more soothing?
All is gold.
All is gold.
yeah,
And the old song have a realistic lyrics
yeah, yeah, yeah.
and
Mm-hmm.
sound and also voice also.
Yeah, right, very true.
Yeah,
Definitely.
Actually,
just like just like we when we listen the song, uh, song सामने वाली खिड़की में,
yeah,
and
yeah. That
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
looks so real that you are singing
so
and
real.
Yeah,
your khidki is opening. Like your windows
yeah,
opening
yeah,
after a
yeah,
while.
it's so like I have
But
an example for analog. Yeah, Amit.
at this time, where many singers are sing in auto tune.
Yeah, yeah. Auto tune.
Yeah,
That's a bad thing.
that is the problem.
Hmm. Even
Now,
I have an analogy for it. Like, we all know BBK Vines, right? And
Yeah,
he uses in BGM the our like our conventional instruments like tabla
yeah, yeah,
and
yeah,
these
yeah.
whole things. That's so it gives so much impact. Like we feel so much connected with it. That cannot be created using this this modern instruments. Definitely, I
yeah,
think
Yeah, modern
that's the beauty
actually
of.
the
Hmm.
modern things are not very much like
Hmm.
stable and all. Those are continuously changing. And why we like the old songs and all because those are very much near to our life. Like we have saw
Yeah,
those instruments in our life. So
yeah,
we
yeah,
think that
yeah,
how this great music can be created from those instruments and all. So that connects us more to the music. And why are
right.
you laughing so much, Rishabh?
Rishabh, he's having a chat. I think.
no, no, no. The
No,
Uh,
what's the
song,
matter?
uh, the song "प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ फिर भी
Oh,
Oh
प्यार से
yeah,
डरता है
yeah,
दिल." This is related to अकेला.
oh.
yeah.
oh, oh.
Every song is related to
And
me nowadays for Rishabh. Okay, he just can't stop thinking about me. Sorry, Rishabh, for doing a charm on you. So
your charisma, kill your
yeah,
charisma.
my charisma is great. Okay, so but it doesn't work on the people who should get like affected by that. So no
Yeah.
Very
problem. Uh, so let's come to some another question if you guys are having. And sorry, Pranjal and Amit, we like hijacked the session overly.
No, 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 it's
Nice.
okay. I learned with all of you.
Yeah, you try speaking, and that will be great. Like you two people will conclude this session.
yeah.
Yeah.
Now,
Just
now you
try.
have to conclude.
Yeah, you have to conclude. What are you waiting for?
Uh,
If you
Actually,
have something to speak, you can speak, and then we can conclude.
Aditya said, uh, which device is better, electronics device, electronic instrument, or older than which is uh, we was used. Then
Mhm.
I think when singers sing in auto tune,
Hmm.
then electronics device is best.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Right, right, right.
Yeah.
Otherwise, if we do not use auto tune, then our old is best.
Wow,
Yeah,
that's
old
nice.
is best. Yeah, nice answer. So, yeah, Pranjal, your mouth is
Nothing.
ready to talk something. Yeah, you should speak. And music is the great healer and all. We actually deviated a lot from music. We came to just stick to Bollywood and all.
Singers.
So we will some another day will do things about music, how it
Yeah.
affects our brain and our life. Okay.
We will do it, definitely do it. So, Pranjal, yeah, I think you should conclude this now.
And yeah, when I would
If you
like
don't
to
have anything,
say one thing,
hmm.
listen to the song of the Laksh movie. So if you will listen to
Uh,
it, the song that
And watch that movie
yeah,
also.
that
If
movie
you
great.
yeah,
Yeah,
watch.
I watched that. The great movie.
will be
Okay.
highly motivated
Yeah, you
after
will be.
watching it.
Yeah, you just
Definitely.
listen that song and you will be like great.
Motivated, yeah,
Okay.
definitely.
So I really recommend that song to everyone.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not on your date
Pranjal.
night, obviously.
Pranjal
So
Pranjal,
Ramit.
Pranjal,
Pranjal,
Yeah, yeah.
just conclude the session.
Pranjal, are you
Listening.
Are you even listening to us?
Listening.
Or you are
yeah,
just
Yeah,
ignoring us?
yeah. No, yeah.
don't ignore us, bro.
I am waiting.
Don't
Okay.
wait.
Okay.
Start speaking. If you
No, no, no.
conclude the session from where we started, what we discussed and all.
Mhm.
Yeah, yeah. Apart from Indian singers and songs, we
Mhm.
discussed about, I think,
I touch Pakistan.
not Hindi, Bollywood songs or yeah, English songs, Americans, that.
I don't know much about American singers and all.
No,
Just
no,
listen.
it is.
Akhil, Pakistani drama is very good.
I haven't
I
watched
think
any. I haven't watched
is
any.
Drama.
better
I have
better than
watched many
Bollywood.
one.
Better
मारो
than
भाई
Bollywood.
मारो मारो भाई मारो वाला
Suno Chanda.
Suno Chanda, yeah.
My favorite.
Uh,
Don't
yeah.
go to that, bro. Please.
I also watched Suno Chanda and one
There will be a
which
scene. There will be
name
a session on the
Different session, yeah.
out of
Yeah,
India
yeah, yeah.
things.
Let's
So we will
conclude it, bro.
conclude the thing because it's already too
Yeah,
well,
just
and
think.
our audience
Mhm.
are
yeah, yeah,
feeling sleepy.
cut
sorry,
So
sorry, sorry.
okay, okay.
Okay.
Yes, Pranjal.
I concluded today.
Yeah, yeah,
Pranjal,
just
Yeah.
include it.
you are Pranjal.
Just conclude
Oh,
it, bro.
so we discuss about music. It is like
Mhm.
so
We
We will
started with the instruments part, right?
we will not leave the mic
yeah, yeah.
until
Hmm.
Will not-
he
Definitely.
concludes. No problem.
Yeah.
Take your time and yeah,
Just
like
try it, bro.
we are at 12 a.m.
That's right.
morning.
No, 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 no.
Okay.
So we start with instrument and we start from Adi
Mhm.
till
Yeah.
to Rishabh and
Yeah.
we had between this we had a small story of all
Yeah,
with
yeah.
Mhm.
instrument
Right.
and finally from which instrument we started and uh, at what we means means yeah instrument take practice so we think conclude this all that it take a practice of lots and after that we come to the singer and songs and that melody harmony and this all we discuss
Yeah,
about
yeah.
this
Yeah,
so
nice.
yeah
So that's all.
and just yeah
That's
yeah
Yeah.
all. So at the end, I would like to say one thing. Like I feel so much proud to that we are discussing so much on the singers part that we are just countlessly we are just talking of the singers. Like we have like singers from one to another.
I
We can't
think
even number
I
that.
think we left
So
one singer, Himesh Resamiya.
Himesh Reshammiya, yeah.
Sonu Nigam. Yeah, we also haven't discussed much
Sonu
about
Nigam.
Sonu Nigam. So
Sonu
he's
Nigam also, yeah.
yeah,
So
and
yeah, that's the
Yeah.
beauty actually. We have a lot of singers, like we cannot discuss each one of them in the
yeah,
session.
and
We have
actually
I feel
though.
very proud of that. Like
Yeah,
we have
actually, those
these
are the
numbers of singers.
reasons. Those are the reasons why we like music, and we have a great touch,
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
great sense and touch of the music. Okay, taste of the
Right, right,
music.
right.
Sorry. So that's all from
Hmm.
our side, and it was a great session on our personal
Yeah.
music and all that taste. So bye bye
Right.
everyone.
Have a
Bye bye.
See you tomorrow.
Bye
Tomorrow.
bye.
bye bye
Yeah.
bye.